Good afternoon. Now I will show you how to undo and change a swing seat. Here we have the sling swing, rope, adjuster and ring with the D-shackle and swing point in this swing frame. Firstly, before you do anything, please ensure you have a sturdy ladder that is safely positioned on the grass. If the ladder is going to sink, use some timbers to ensure that it doesn't sink into the ground, so it's positioned on something stable, not soft ground. Firstly, grip the bolt, and in this case I'm using an adjustable spanner to the 17mm position and twist it anti-clockwise. Once you've broken the nylon, you can do it by your fingers and it comes away. If the bolt is hard and secure, grip it firm and twist this also anti-clockwise. And then again undo it. And it comes away quite easily. To install your new one, the ring on the U-bolt, position it up, put the bolt through. I should say firstly, one side has no thread, put it through that side first. So twist it now clockwise. Until it's finger tight. Finger tight is all it needs. And then put the nylon nut in place. Again, turning it clockwise. That is, and it should go on quite easily because it's already been on with the previous swing seat. Finger tight. If you wish to give it a little tighten, again use the adjustable spanner and twist 1/4 of a ton. It doesn't need to be tight. That is really how you do it, obviously with one side and the other side.